Hello everyone, today we're here at Gosnells train station. I have obviously made a video of this station as I have for every other station, but today we need to do a station upgrade because when I made the video they were upgrading the bus interchange and now it is finally finished upgrading. So here is the new bus interchange. It's not really much of an upgrade, but we have a bus shelter now all the way down. Like even the buses park underneath the shelter, and it's a big metal roof, and then all the poles are now with the correct information. So yeah, I just made it shaky now since it's blurry if I have stabilization on. So it just looks a little bit better now than it did in the original Gosnells video, which was also very blurry because I filmed it like at dusk. With the roof all the way down and all the stands in. So we'll take a look at all the stands. This one is stand 4 for service 233 to Coburn Central Station. I think the first stand there was just a drop-off stand. And then the other stands here, stand 3 for the 210 and 211. And stand 2 is the 228 over to Thorney Station. And then finally the last stand also has another replacement bus and some other routes to school around here if they extend. Now you can see these shelters are pretty weird. They have like an angled roof. This stands only twice a day. 8:17 and 8:21, an extension to the Lumen School. And this is what it looks like here. So here are some buses leaving now. Go watch the actual Gosnells video to see the full bus clips. This is just what it looks like with the new bus interchange. Also got some layover bays on the other side there, but I think that was all already there in the original video anyway. So this is just to inform you that the upgrades have been completed. Off goes the bus and the other one, and here's a train. Here's just what it looks like from the other side of the road here in the mulch. You can see all the way down. Oh, all the lights just turned on. Yeah, and there's a train indicator up there as well, so that the buses can leave at the correct time to connect with the trains. There do seem to be some delays here today, so that'll be used. Come in handy. And tactile paving and lots of seating underneath the shelter. Anyway, here's the passenger information display. As you can see, 4 minutes and then 28 minutes, and this is during peak hours, so definitely something wrong. We got like a 10-minute delay on this side, and on the other side there seems to be a train like every minute. So here comes our train. We're not going to end this video here yet because we're going to just quickly go to Challis, where we have an even more minor upgrade. But the platform was resurfaced, so it is no longer bare asphalt, which makes it classic hot station. It's now got bricks, so we're gonna go and look at bricks. Passing over the Denny Avenue or Davis Road Bridge now in Kelmscott, and we're approaching Challis, the next station. It's nearly dark outside. Yeah, we're just on the train. We're going to see the new bricks at the station, which now make it look much more modern, even though it is just a small hut station. But the red bricks on the platform really do make it look much better. So let's just go outside. And here we are. You can see this station does not have the grey asphalt anymore. So guys, I seriously came all the way out to this station, literally to point at bricks. I know that sounds really stupid, but it did say every little change there would be at a train station, I'd film it. And here, the platform has changed, as you can see, because in the original Challis video, the platform was a very bad asphalt, which is why I gave it a much... No! No! I can't cross. Damn. I was gonna go to the other side. These extreme Armadale line delays are making trains come in every 3 minutes right now on the Perth side, but only every like 30 on the Armadale. I don't know what's happening. So yeah, now I have to wait for that one. I'll have to go on the next one. Hopefully it's in another 3 minutes. And just take a look at the bricks on platform 1 once I get across. Here comes a train. Little 2-car again. We got a nice double honk from the driver there. Double whistle, very nice. Okay, so here's the platform 1. Obviously no one got on or off that train, because this is just a really pure hot station, as you can see. But it's got these brand new bricks. Look at that. Red bricks. Wow. Okay, and this is seriously a joke, but the red bricks are very nice, make the platform much smoother. Oh damn, the next train's in 13 minutes. Looks like they're back on schedule. Oh well. And then this bit's still concrete on the edge, as you can see. And that's just the edge there, and you can go down. So now both platforms have the tactile paving and red bricks on both sides, and that's what Challis looks like now. A bit different to how it originally was. Haven't actually been here for 2 years. When I filmed the trains from like here, actually the Australian might come through soon as well. Also, the train replacement bus stop down here has been moved a little bit, or wait, maybe not moved, but they put some nice concrete all around it. Very small car park for the station. And here we have the new concrete and accessible train replacement bus stop. Same on the other side down there. For the station. I've never actually been on the Armadale line replacement bus. In a bin. And then you can go down here now, a new path, and you go back on the station. So that's it. So just had to show. No, wait. What happens with that PSP? Look at that. You go along with your bike, but then you get off and then it's just dirt in the bus stop, and then you have to like go in the car park, I guess. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. Just a hot station at night now. Time to go back. Actually, the ramps are still the old asphalt, as you can see. Then on the platform you got the nice bricks. So that's it. Oh, wait, look on the other side. Oh my god. On the other side, the next train is in 24 minutes. And then Oh, 34. 24 and 34. Whoops, yeah, that's not gonna work. Gotta wait 15 seconds for that to work. Just tagging off and back on because I gotta go back now. Yay. Yep, guys, we got the Australian coming through at full speed. So I was right. Here it comes. Lovely with no trains, but except this one at the station for 24 minutes on the other side. Look at that. Hell, that's noisy. And fast. Oops, sorry about the lighting. Well, it's gone now.